how to set iPhone to stop charging above 80%. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to stop charging your iPhone above 80% and want iPhone to do it automatically? Then you're in the right place. You'll need to head over to the settings app, then go to battery, then go to battery health and charging. There you'll find optimize battery charging. Just toggle it on. So this will help to reduce battery aging because iPhone learns from your daily charging routine, so it can wait to finish charging past 80% until you need to use it. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.